Okay guys, this is part 2 right now. But look at all this stuff. She has no shoes, by the way, if you get her. But you know, other dolls have their shoes on, but this one, no, I think. Because sometimes you get dolls with their shoes and the open packaging. So are you ready? Let's go get this stuff opened up. Okay, the first one, I think it was an accident, but we actually got 2 of these, and it might be one of those things. But look, Miss Celebrate Party Plan, cake, dancing, fierce style, and this surprise. Oh my gosh, we got 2 of them. Can you believe it? And just imagine we got 2 of them and 2 of these. Oh my gosh. But let's unbox this one. Okay guys, today, look what we just got. That's a lot of hair clips. When me and my assistant were unboxing her, we didn't notice, but look at that. That's a lot, so it might take us a long time to put the hair clips or just a few seconds, but let's just do this one and not ruin the background. So bye, get ready now.